shop. Josh is working away on the old Dodge Ram Cummins Turbo Diesel. What are you doing today, Josh?
Crossover steering.
Oh.
Get rid of this junky stock stuff.
Okay. Well, the fellow was supposed to look underneath here.
Yeah, you can just see pieces missing. Right
Oh. It's pretty heavy duty, eh?
Not as heavy duty as they came.
Nice.
Putting the steering shaft in first. Okay. And then I gotta replace all the other stuff I've already pulled out, but I gotta move the steering box. And it's easier, I think, if this goes in first.
So that's a new component, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah, boards in the steering shaft.
Nice.
Telescopic variety. Oh guys, we're getting there. Putting the ARP studs in here on the passenger side. Knuckle. Drop the steering arm on here, and you'll see what the crossover program is.
All right, what's that part there, Josh? Called? Or do you know?
Just read it on the box, can't think of it right now.
That's okay. Anyways, it's going down here.
Nice.
Sweet.
Take two with the spring. Fucking dumbass.
Better.
All the parts, no spare parts. Ah. Click, click. Yeah, I'm going pretty heavy with this.
Goop it up, hey?
Yeah, ain't nobody likes to deal with stuck tie rod ends when you're trying to adjust. Ever. Way too much.
Perfect. Ooh, wheels are turning. Ooh, yeah. Back the other way? Oh, yeah.